At MEXDCM, we provide a rich experience and high-performance physical solutions to support our customers throughout the life cycle of critical IT environments, from design to manufacturing and ongoing operations. Our company operates in the production, sales, marketing and service areas of data centers, system rooms and organizations with high technology infrastructure. Raised floors, seismic raised floors, seismic suspended ceilings, seismic and vibration solutions, power infrastructure, cooling, connection solutions, data center accessories and solutions. We carry out all our operations within our own structure with our expert staff. MEXDCM aims to be a perfect business partner that can provide all the solutions required by the data center and IT environments in the projects it is involved in. We manufacture air grills, seismic suspended ceilings, seismic raised floors, cable trays, wire mesh solutions, rack blanking panels, stair trays, plenium, zone box and many other products within our own structure with high technology and engineering infrastructure. MEX Technology Solutions is your strong and reliable partner with its "the right solutions at the right time" slogan, with its knowledge and experience in technology fields.